So this is my single page React application which is built for Codex Academy. So it is a platform that contains the home page showcasing the services portfolio and a functional block section. So the two pages like a block section and the home page shares the same navbar and it is connected via React router. As you can see, this is my file structure. So I have components, then there is a assets which I have exported all the images for the section, and in components I have about section, block page, then featured project, footer, hero, navbar, quick links and services. So every section in the home page I have divided into each folder, so it is easily accessible and applicable. So in about section, as you can see, it is a description about the website. So I have given a small image and corresponding some stats, data and description about the company and its objectives. So there is a corresponding CSS files also. So next I will set show you the hero section. So hero section I mainly it gives us an background image. Then I have given the tags in array format, the stats also, then who are our clients and everything. So it's like giving the description. Then there is a what are the tags and status, like stats result of the services we have done all through the far. I have given in the hero section. Next I have quick link. So quick link, that's mainly I have given a card which is also given in an array format. So it's by its key value pairs. So I have given the title like a href image and alternative text. So here I have mapped with the cards with the title and card.href in order to fetch the value. Then next we have the service. In services, I have given in the array format with the what are the values and keys we have to entitled to. So I have given the categories, like mainly four categories, then again mapping into the title and the description. Then next we have the featured project. So it is also the same like format, given a best feature project from our website. So I have given a case study button and the category we are developing, that is web development. Then some description about the app and some result stats about the website also. Next is footer. Here I have given some images, then some social media links, and also I have connected to the corresponding social media links of the website. Next is block page section. So block page I have divided into two main folders, data and sections. So data, I have the block data. Block data here, it is the central store of the block page. So here is the all the raw data I have given in the block page. So it is easier for me to fetch from the blockdata.js to the other section of the page. So here I have listed all the data I want to the block page. So next we have the section block helpers. It is just avatars and everything, like the badges. And in category section, it is the second section from the block page. Okay, so here I have given the like active, we have the active categories, set active and categories. So here what is the main logic means, by clicking a tab, active category will be like in block page will be set and the block page resets. So the block page is the main page where I have fed every section of these sections. So and it will reset to the current page to 1 and we could refilter the articles. So next section is filtered featured section. It is the third section and all the posts I have given in the array format, which is also filtered by the subset of block data. The data is fetched from the this block data. And hero section I have just given some title, subtitles and a search bar. So next it is latest articles. It is the next section I have given. It is also like post the I have like defined it in a array format. Posts are getting from the array format and map towards the post dot author and its date and read time, like the date and time. So new section, just giving a another section below the latest article by like having the newsletter content and having a like email ID setup, like sign me up, and there is an email ID where we can get like all the recent and updated posts from the site. Then pagination section. So here how I calculated the page means, here I have the page section functionality like current page, total articles and the set current page. So I have calculated the how many pages have to exist in the UI means. So if there is 12 articles, I have divided by 4, like, and I will like we get the 3 pages. So the maximum showcase in the UI will be 3 pages, and I also given the chevron like current page, previous page and next page. Then sidebar, it is the last section, like section 5 I have given the most read and the section 6 I have given the tech insights, some articles and tech related areas. So here is the hero section. So hero section, here is the not hero section, here is the block page section. So it is the page where I have fed all the sections to. So I have imported the categories, featured, article, most read, everything. So every section read from a single state. So I have used the use memo state, which caches the result. Then it is all as I said, it is all read from the same state, because so that there will be a sync for all the section. Then by showing the output, it will be like this format. So this is the home page. This is the quick links I have mentioned, featured, project, services, about section and navbar, footer. Then block page. Here is the hero section, post. So here we can just filter it out by like I have given the categories, right? So we can filter it out. So all post, featured. Then these are all the different categories I have mentioned, the design, product, engineering. Then sidebar also, this is the newsletter and this is the pagination. So thank you.